Well, good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss. And you know what? I'm so excited about this metaverse stuff and everything going on with Decentraland that it's time out for just talking about it as an investment opportunity. So for those that are skeptical or those that are members of this channel and haven't been to Decentraland, I'm going to go to Decentraland and you can go with me. This is my very first time going beyond the screen. So I just wanted to see what all the hype is going to be about, because you know what? This is the future of Facebook. Sites like this, capability like this. So let's just jump in. Why don't we go on a tour of Decentraland? You with me? Let's roll. Interesting. So they've got, of course, their little startup web page here. Homeplay Marketplace, Builder, Docs, Events. Sign in to create an account. I'm going to continue as a guest. Let's just see what happens. Got a little music going. Ah. There's that little avatar. Escape. You get to pick your avatar. Ah, that's funny. Let's change the head on him. So I guess this is the future, huh? Is this what we're gonna spend our time doing? Get some more hair options. Ah, okay. Hair color. Really? Oh, that's I guess I could spend all day doing this. Wow. Is this what we're gonna be doing? All right. Let's just go from there. Okay. Oh, I guess this is what we'll be buying. Stuff like this. I hope they get some more masculine choices.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, we get the point on this.
Ah, neat.
That's terrible. Alright, that's enough playing around with this. No alphanumeric characters or spaces. Let's do it. Let's scroll down, agree. What are we agreeing to? Privacy policy, information collected, email address, yada. So this is the future, huh? This is where Facebook wants to go. Welcome to the Genesis Plaza, Crypto Big Boss. Plaza is the heart of the Genesis City. Take a look around and familiarize yourself with the world.
Test.
Click the world to lock the cursor and control the avatar's view. Oh my. Look at this. Press E to start. Nice to meet you, Crypto Big Boss. My name is whoever. Basics, shall we begin? Press E. First and third person. Press V. Oh! Okay, so that's how you go from first person. Oh, the old video game keys, A, S, D, W. Okay, we can go to the, oh, we're moving. Yep, we're moving. Let's go, press V and go first person now. I'm moving. I guess I can turn, it's just like, you know, the sad part about this is I never played those games, like, you know, if you didn't play those 3D games, you might have a little trouble with this. This is definitely for the generation of people playing Fortnite and whatnot. It's pretty intuitive. Looking around up here. What is this? Live now, NFT Creep Museum. So this is the future of Facebook. Things like this. View profile. I wonder if you can talk to people. C to access control panel. C. Oh, so now we can see all the controls if we press C inside of Decentraland. C to open a control panel. Press escape. Unlock. Okay, click the world to lock the cursor. And control your avatar view. Escape, of course. Okay, expands the map. M or tab expands the map. Let you see where to go. V to switch between first and third person. U wants to hide Decentraland's UI. Okay, I'm going to keep the Decentraland UI up. Press I to open and close the backpack. N to hide your avatar's name. B to open and close the emotes menu. Okay, that's a little bit there. Don't know everything yet. So I guess if I press escape, I'll get out of this. Alright, so we're walking around. Use voice and text chat to talk to other players and make new friends, okay? Boy, this just sounds exactly like Mark Zuckerberg's video. Okay, I mean... Oh, I clicked on somebody. I guess I can say something. I don't know if I can or not. Collectibles, passport, block. Okay, maybe this is just a computer generated person. Press escape, get out of this. I want to walk around him.
Hello?
Hello? Hi.
What's my nigga?
Can you actually hear me?
Bro. Welcome to the metaverse.
This is this a real person? How do I talk? How do I talk to you?
What? I need one of y'all to speak, niggas.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, let me go profile my nigga.
That's some free shit, dude.
Hello? Can you hear me?
My niggas. Where my niggas at, bro? Where my niggas at?
Oh my goodness. So this is the future.
Oh my goodness.
This is what Facebook is going to be in the future, y'all. Look at this map over here. Oh, I'm about to drown. Get out of here. Hello? You'll find controls helpful. It's telling me to click down here for the controls. Controls, hide name, night mode. Controls. Let's do this again. Oh. Hello? I wonder, oh, there it is. So there's a talk in the bottom left-hand corner. Play Decentraland wants to use your microphone. Okay, go ahead and allow it. All right, Google Chrome would like, okay, use it. Anybody out there? Hello, can you hear me? I think the people that are moving around. Hello? Hold T. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? It's gonna take some getting used to. Wonder if there's anything else to do. Now, this is my first time, so this is really an eye-opener. I'm gonna go into this lounge. Wow. Guess there's nobody else around. Use Explore to find scenes with the experienced players in them. Can anybody hear me? Holla if you hear me. Can y'all hear me? Can anybody in this room hear me?
No.
That's funny. It's my first time in Decentraland.
Oh.
Hey, what's up? Uh-oh, Decentraland Game Poker supports 10 to 20 blinds. 400-minute.
Let's go.
This is crazy. This is absolutely ridiculous. Let's go to the aquarium. Folks, I'm just going to take a pause and have a talk with you about this experience I'm having, which is really unbelievable for someone like me who was more of a Donkey Kong, Pac-Man, 8-bit person. I'm an Atari generation person, and for me to be sitting up here in a virtual world walking around like this is crazy. And the idea that you can do this now for real and interact with people in this space, it shows me just how far we've really come. And it is, if this is the new world that people are going to interact in a social way, it's beyond what anything I could have ever imagined. This is Decentraland. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. If this is the future of Facebook, look out. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Get on board. This is the future. It's Crypto Big Boss, and I'm out.